Hello everyone, welcome back to my small YouTube channel. Before going to watch this video, please subscribe the channel. Then I will get more interest to do videos like generative AI and agentic AI in the future sessions. Okay then, in the previous lesson, we learned how to add, remove and rename the columns. And today we will learn how to sort our data like this. Who has the highest final grade? Like who has the lowest grade? And who is the oldest student and who is the youngest. Okay, then let us see it with the practical. And remember one thing, instead of manually searching through the data set, Pandas can arrange the entire data frame for us. Let us see it in the practical way. Yeah, as usually, first we have to load the data set here. What data set? Now let us run it. Shift enter. It is already loaded, right? And next, and before continuing, we have to check our columns here. Before continuing, we have to check our columns. Shift enter. Yeah, these are the columns we have like school, sex, age, address, family size, and etc. Okay, and the next one is sort age. Sort by age. What? Sort by age. Here we have to write like this. Df dot sort values of age. Now let us understand in the brief way. Sort values. Sort values is the pandas function used to sort rows based on the column. What? Based on the column. Here df dot sort values of age. It means it will arrange the students according to their age. What? According to their age. And remember one thing, by default the pandas sorts from smallest to largest. What? Smallest to largest, and that is called as ascending order. What? Ascending order. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output here, ascending order. This is the ascending order like 15, 20, 21, etc. Okay, and the next one is actual ascending order here. Now let us see the actual ascending order. Df dot sort values, and we have to mention the column name here, and ascending equal to true. What? Ascending equal to true. Here ascending equal to true, it means smallest value first. It means we are asking that smallest value first. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output. We got the same output here. And the next one is descending order. What? Descending order. Now suppose we want the oldest students first. What? Oldest students first. On the time we will write like this. Df dot sort values, and we have to mention the column name and ascending equal to false. What? False. Here here remember one thing, here false, here ascending equal to false. It means it will reverse the order. It means it will reverse the order from highest to lowest. Actually by default what it is? Yes, lowest to highest. And here ascending equal to false. It means highest to lowest. Okay, highest to lowest. A simple thing, just remember like this. If true means small to large, false means large to small. Okay, now let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output here. 22, 21, 20. It is a descending order here. Highest to smallest. Above ascending equal to true here. Smallest to highest. Okay. And the next one is sort students by final grade. What? Sort students by final grade. Here this is the more useful for our machine learning data set. Here df dot sort values grade 3 ascending equal to false. It means it will show the students with the highest final grade first. What? Highest final grade first. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Where is the grade here? Grade 3. Yes. Highest final grade 20, 19, so on. Okay. And the next one is show the show only the top students. What? Show only the top students. Here we can combine sorting with head. I will explain you clearly. What? Sorting with head. Here this does two operations here. What? This does two operations. First, df dot sort values grade 3 ascending equal to false. We already know that. What? We already know that. Here sorts, it will sort the students from highest grade to lowest. What? Highest grade to lowest. And here then dot head. It means it will take the only first 5 rows. What? First 5 rows. So we are efficiently asking, show me the top 5 students from the final grade by the final grade. What we are asking, show me the top 5 students by final grade. Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the top 5. What? Top 5, because we are mentioning dot head here. I already explained you. If you want, you can go and check it. What? You can go and check it in my previous videos. And the next one is lowest grade. What? Lowest grade. Here df dot sort values grade 3 dot head. Now let us run this. Yeah, we got the lowest grade here. 0 0. These are all lowest grades. Here we didn't mention any mention any ascending equal to true and ascending equal to false. Why? Because the default is ascending. Remember one thing, default is ascending. I already explained you, but I'm explaining you, because the default is ascending. The student with lowest grades appear first. Remember this. uh, by default is ascending only. Default is ascending. And the next one is save the sorted data frame. What? Save the sorted data frame. If we want the sorted result, what? If we want the sorted result sorted, on that time we will write like this: df sorted equal to df dot sort values grade 3 and ascending equal to false. What? Ascending equal to false. Now let us print it. What? Let us print it here. Shift enter. Wait a second, we have to run this. Yeah, we got the output here. What? We got the output here. Remember one thing, contains the it will here print df sorted dot head. It will contains the sorted data frame. What? It will contains the sorted data frame. See, simply writing this small line does not permanently arrange the data frame. We have to keep it in the another variable. We have to keep it in the another, we have to store it in the another variable like df sorted. I have taken here df sorted, and finally we printed it. We get the output here. And the next one is sort using multiple columns. What? Sort using multiple columns. Now imagine two students have the same final grade. What? Two students have the same final grade. We might want to sort them by further by age. What? Further by age. Now we have to write like this: df sort values grade 3 and age ascending equal to false. False means what? False means highest to lowest, and true means lowest to highest. Right? Now let us see the output here. Shift enter. We got the output. We got the output, right? Yes. Here, see here, where is the grade 3 here? Yeah, 20. It is false, right? False means highest to lowest. And true, right? True means lowest to highest. What is this? Age. Lowest to highest. Yeah, got the highest. And next one is sorting the index. What? Sorting the index. On that time, we will write like this: df dot sort index. What? Sort index. Let us run this. Shift enter. Yeah, we got the output. And remember one thing, pandas also let us sort based on the um, mm, pandas also here. See, simply remember one thing, sort index, it means it will sorts the data frame according to index. And everyone confused between the sort index and sort values. Remember like this, here sort index, it will sorts the data frame according to its index, based on the index. And sort values, whereas sort values sorts according to the column values. These are the column values. Okay. And remember the one more thing, and one more time I'm repeating, sort values means values inside columns. What? Values inside columns. And sorting index means values, data frame index. Data frame index. Okay. And the next one is combining the selection and sorting. What? Selection and sorting. Here df of age comma study comma grade dot sort values, and same like this. Let us run this, shift enter. We got the output here. You got the output. And the next one is combining the filtering and sorting. What? Filtering and sorting. Df of, first we have to filter and then sort, and then sort. Let us run this, shift enter. We got the output here. Greater than 18, right? Age greater than 17. Age greater than 17 means 18, 18 like this. Sort values. Ascending, false. False means what? False means lowest to highest. Sorry, highest to lowest. Right? And I hope you understand. Please subscribe the channel and encourage me. Thank you.